Follow the step on how to make a photo mosaics like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started by creating a new document. First, go to File and click Place to insert an image. I will this size 500 by 500. Set position to the center artboard. Open Properties and click Embed. Next, go to Object and create Object Mozaic. You can set it like this. Resize if needed. Finish. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.